All right, this is Brian here at the LG booth at CES 2013, and we're going to share with you a demo of our latest and greatest flagship device, the LG Optimus G. With the Optimus G, we're getting our consumers and customers to live without boundaries, and we have some amazing features to share with you. One of them, let's talk about the specs before we get into features. You're looking at a beautiful device. It's a symmetrical design with glass on both sides. You have Gorilla Glass on the front, so it's very strong. You have a 4.7-inch True HD IPS Plus display. I want to point out that LG is the leader and owner of IPS technology. Now, what that means to your viewers is that we're getting true-to-life natural colors in HD resolution on our handset. 720p resolution with 1280 by 768 design. Now, with that being said, we're running Ice Cream Sandwich with our proprietary Optimus 3.0 user interface. On the back, you have a 13 megapixel camera. For the Sprint version, the AT&T version supports an 8 megapixel camera. Under the hood, we have a Qualcomm quad-core processor clocked at 1.5 gigahertz. It is also supported with 2 gigs of RAM, so multitasking on this is not going to be a problem. You can have literally 20 applications running concurrently at the same time with this handset, and you will not experience any slowdown whatsoever. Other than that, internally on the Sprint version, you have a 32 gigabyte internal memory, and then we also have 16 gigs of internal memory on the AT&T version, plus expandable memory. So let's show you some of the cool, unique software options. One of them I like to show you in conjunction with our amazing HD display is our live video zoom feature. So let's open up this video. So right now we're running this video. You can see it's running at 720p. It looks amazing. True to life natural colors, as if you were seeing this with your naked eye in real time. Now, with that being said, we have a feature called live video zoom, which allows us to get 5 times closer to the action. So you can zoom in up to 5 times. There's nobody else on the market that does this right now, especially this part right here where you can zoom in and then move it around. You can see your little path right here where you can move around the screen. So let's say you were at a concert, a baseball event, or some kind of sporting event or other show. You can be further back in the audience and then zoom in closer to the action after you watch the video. Pretty amazing feature to have. But let's say you get a message or some kind of alert and you need to respond to that. Typically in the past, what would you do? You hit the home button, exit the video, respond, right? Not the case on the Optimus G. Simply hit our Q slide button, tap your screen, hit the Q slide button. You'll get a transparent layer of the video, while in the background you can see I can multitask. And I can adjust that transparency how I see fit. So I can still watch the video, answer that message, takes 3 seconds, I'm back into the video, and I didn't miss a beat. So a really great way to multitask and do 2 things at once. The phone also supports dual screen, dual play, and mirrorcast capability, so I can mirror this whole entire phone wirelessly to an external display. And even with dual screen, dual play, I can have something else on this screen and something else on the big screen. Again, truly giving you the ability to multitask like you've never been able to before. One other UI feature that's very unique to this handset is our Quick Memo feature. So we'll click on Quick Memo, and basically Quick Memo takes a screenshot of any screen that I'm on. And as you can see, I have a number of pen options, from a highlighter to a thick Sharpie marker to a pen and then a ballpoint pen, and then I have all the different color options. So I can come over here and just, simply write, LG or whatever it is that I want on my display. So with that being said, you can utilize this for personalization. Take a picture of something, send it to a loved one and say, hint, hint, wink, wink, this is what I want for Christmas or for birthday or whatever. Great for professional use as well. Now, what's also cool is if you ever get a voicemail and somebody leaves you a phone number real quick and you're trying to write down that phone number, typically in the past, what do? You grab a pen and paper and try to write it quick. On this phone, simply write out your number, whatever it is, and then hit the Q slide option in Quick Memo. And then that Quick Memo stays statically on screen while, again, multitasking. The whole thing, like I said, live without boundaries. We're giving you opportunities to multitask like you've never been able to do before. For example, have that number on screen and dial out, and you're good to go. And then make your call, go back, end the call, and your Quick Memo is still there. Simply hit the Q slide button, come back in, edit it, save it, whatever you want, or go into the contact list, save the number, and then delete it. So just a great way to you really use your phone and multitask, like I've been saying over and over again. I can't say it enough. So that, in a nutshell, is our Optimus G.
Okay. Great, and it's already available in the US?
It's available here in the US at Sprint and AT&T. It's also available in Canada and other LTE-capable markets.
Okay, only LTE-capable markets right now.
Right.
Will it be available in Europe?
That's going to be up to our, LG's carrier partners in Europe. I don't have an announcement for that, though.
Okay, thank you very much.
My pleasure.